Time to harvest some loquats. It's almost the end of April. This is what I like about them, that they are ready in April before most of the other fruits. So what I do is I just cut the whole thing like this. Because if you cut them one by one, they get damaged. So I cut them like this. Because this is gonna be dead anyway. It's not gonna produce any more fruit. Here. I see some more here, and I see some more over there. Has a lot of green ones. Hopefully I can reach those. I'll show you once I finish. I'll take a picture of the fruit. Highly recommend this fruit tree because it produces early and it's drought tolerant, cold resistant, and heat tolerant. So best of all. Has many advantages over other fruit trees, and when the fruit is ready, it's delicious. Like this one's ready. Let's see what it tastes like. Very juicy and sweet. I love these. Delicious. So I'm gonna keep harvesting. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.